One city, one funeral, one mother who has lost her only son. Today we will witness the moment when death surrendered to life. Jesus was traveling with his disciples toward a city called Nain. No one knew that a powerful miracle was about to happen. This woman had not just lost her son, she had lost her hope, her support, her future. She was already a widow, and now completely alone. The Bible says, when the Lord saw her, he had compassion on her. Jesus did not just see her, he felt her pain deeply. Jesus said to her, "Do not weep." These were not ordinary words. This was divine authority speaking before the miracle. Jesus touched the coffin, something no one would normally do. But Jesus is not afraid of death, because he is the Lord of life. Jesus said, "Young man, I say to you, arise." And immediately, the dead man came back to life. He sat up, began to speak, and Jesus gave him back to his mother. Sorrow turned into joy. Fear came upon all, and then they glorified God, saying, "God has visited his people." Jesus is not just a prophet, he is the power of God. Even today, many people are spiritually dead, in sin, in fear, in hopelessness. But Jesus is still saying today, arise. Jesus also raised Lazarus, after 4 days in the grave. This shows that no situation is too dead for Jesus. In the Old Testament, Prophet Elijah also raised a boy, but he had to pray. Jesus simply commanded, because he is the Son of God. I, Pastor Samuel John, have been walking with the Lord for 46 years, and in the last 3 years, by God's grace, I have overcome all sin. Jesus still transforms lives today. In Pakistan, Christians face persecution, false accusations, kidnappings, forced conversions, but faith is still alive because Jesus is alive. If you reject Jesus, you will have to answer on the day of judgment. This decision is eternal. Today, Jesus is saying to you, arise, arise from sin, arise from darkness, give your life to Jesus Christ. If this message touched your heart, share this message, like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you need prayer or have questions, write in the comments.